It's a trap!
Many art lovers like us would love to paint on canvas sheet, but it's not easily available everywhere. To ease your work, I have an idea. Create your own canvas art book just by converting the hard canvas sheets. I'm using 1 meter long canvas, which gives me approximately 11 A4 size sheets. Use an A4 size cardboard for the base. Stick the edges of all the canvas sheets as shown. Use a decorative card paper as the cover page. You may design your own. The decorative card paper needs to be 2 inches longer than the canvas sheets for binding. Wasn't this a money-saving project and easy too? For more creative hacks,